I like to eat cake, so I thought I'll make some nice cake for you because this type of cake is something different to the normal preparation. This is called fresh fruit and nut cake. So we will see how we are going to make this now. We need 200 grams sugar and I need 200 grams of butter. Any butter that you like, you can always use. While beating that, we need the eggs. Cream the sugar and the butter. Eggs one at a time. For this, I need 3 eggs, yolks and the white together. Cream it well. Right. Now we have mixed all these together. The quantity which I have given here is 200 grams sugar, 200 grams butter and 3 eggs. So remember that. Now I am going to use the flour. Flour, 200 grams, baking powder, 2 teaspoons, pinch of salt, all that together. Sift it at least once. If I can sift, it's good because flour, baking powder, salt to be mixed together and you mix it nicely. Sift it and take it. Now this is going to be mixed well. Now I have to beat it once. At least once I have to beat. So we will see how we are beating it. For a minute I have to beat in the same direction. Alright, reduce the speed one by one. Okay, now that's ready. Now what I am going to do is I will use a little vanilla essence and I am going to use the fruits. Now I have used the grapes. Then I need apple. About 60 grams of each we can use and 60 grams of grapes, and I have used even strawberries. Along with that 30 grams cherries and last of all a little cashew nuts. All that mixed together. Now that's ready. Now what I am going to do is a tray. We take a tray, slightly butter it. The butter the tray, only oil paper for the bottom I have put. We need an 8-inch tray and put the mixture into this. I am going to bake this 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. We'll bake this now. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. The cake is baked and you can see how it looks. It has to cool at least for 2 hours. If it gets cooled only, I can do the icing on that. So we will see what icing. It's like a creamy icing that I am going to do for this. So we will see. Egg whites. 2 egg whites we have put into this. Very stiff we have to beat it. I will put half the sugar. 60 grams, half the sugar I'll put. Stop this and then what I am going to do is I'll take this saucepan, put balance sugar, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, 2 teaspoons, okay, roughly half a cup of water, boiling this. Boil the gelatin, half the quantity of sugar and roughly half a cup of water, we keep boiling. It has to dissolve and it has to get thickened slightly so that it will be easy for us to make the cream. Oh, lovely. That's ready now. So what I am going to do is, while it is hot itself, I am going to add into this mixture. Now we have nicely creamed and taken the mixture. I'm going to put a little strawberry essence, whatever essence I like. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour it over this cake. It's like whipping cream. It looks like whipping cream, but we say it's homemade cream. And we could slightly use a little bit of roasted nuts on top. I think this is very nice. Everybody will love a cake like this. Try it out and see how it comes, because something really different to the normal preparation. And I hope you will also enjoy preparing this type of cake. Hope to see you then with another episode next time.